Checking out this Steamify steam cleaner. This one has the Amazon seal. That's nice. Let's open that up. Lets you know that no one's tampered with this box. We'll open it up and we can find the welcome message and instructions, user's manual from Steamify. We've got the flexible neck on it. We've got the all paper and cardboard packaging. Big fan of that. It's just a couple of paper or plastic bags in here. One little piece of styrofoam. Let's see. Next thing we'll pull out is the window squeegee for washing windows. We've got another attachment here that is the rug or floor attachment that the squeegee attachment clips onto. They clip on the bottom here and snap into the top. Now you can wash or steam clean windows. Pull out the steam cleaner itself in a bag. That's nice, with a long cord with a 3-prong outlet. We've got a funnel for filling. We've got a measuring cup with a pouring spout, which is super handy. We've got the standard short wand. We've got a boot for the steam cleaner end there. There's a message from Steamify in there. I guess I'll just put this box over here. And then we have the other brushes and attachments. I like that they give you enough brushes and attachments to use different attachments in the bathroom, different attachments on the vehicle, different attachments on the barbecue, and so forth. Looking at the unit itself, it can hold 280 milliliters, so quite a bit of water in here. And it's got an indicator here to let us know when it's good to go. Fill it through the top, the cap. Got a message here about how much to fill it. Put the top back on when it comes to temp. You've got a safety switch here, so you don't have to worry about some little one accidentally flipping it. You have to push this forward and then down intentionally. This can pivot. That's kind of neat. And then this can go on and click into place. Then your different attachments can go on to the end here. Or alternatively, you could plug in the cable or the attachment cord here, hose, and then again plug in whichever attachment you want on the end. This is a really handy 280 milliliter steam cleaner. Having too large a steam cleaner means you can't get it on stairs or into the vehicle or into the RV. Having it too small, and it doesn't help. You know, you're filling it too often. I think this one's a good match. 99% sterilization when you use a steam cleaner with no chemicals. I want to thank Steamify for sending us this one to check out. I really hope this helps.